Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get all my uploads that I do. Today we're going to be doing a different type of tutorial. We're going to be doing like a protective style. Basically do this type of hairstyle. Like my wash and goes pretty much last probably about 4 to 5 days. And if I'm not ready to literally wash my hair or sit there and wait for my hair to air dry, I will do like a little protective styles. And this is one of my favorite little protective styles to kind of go out and look still kind of cute a little bit. So yeah, so if you guys like tutorials like this, please comment below and hit the like button so I'll know that you like these type of tutorials. And yeah, I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, first you want to have, I have my spray bottle, have a brush, a hard bristle brush, I have my wide tooth comb, a small comb, and of course you need some really thick scrunchies. And I have Jamaican mango and lime, Pure Naturals coconut buttercream to get it moisturized. And what else do I have? Oh, and maybe like some extra gel for my edges. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is spray down the middle of my hair so I can get a part. One thing you're not going to want to do is like get the ends of your hair wet, because you want your bun to be really full. You don't want it to be, when your hair's wet, it's more like way down. So I'm just going to spray like the middle of my hair so I can get like a part down the middle. So that can get loosened up right there. And you can feel when you have enough, kind of. Just like when it's like easy to part, kind of. Okay. I think I have just about enough. And y'all, this is old hair. I haven't did my hair since last week, so this is just to, you know, push back wash day, you know. Pretty much. I like to do this. It's a cute little style. Because sometimes we just don't like to always just wear our hair down and wash and go. So, and when you're parting your hair, make sure you're taking your time and you're not pulling it, you know, because we don't have no time for breakage, pretty much. Put my mirror in the middle. I like to use this comb just to give the part like a straighter part, because the thick comb isn't. So I just like to work in between both. But the thicker comb is going to make it easier to kind of get through the big pieces. So you get what I'm saying? Like once you see like it's still, at the end it's still curled, so it's going to be kind of harder to get through. Just want to take your time. Like I said, that's probably as straight as my part's going to get. It's just that that's something I lack on this part, I'm not gonna lie. But it's alright. It's all good. It's all good. So let's get down the middle. Keep parting and taking your time. See, this is why I have a different texture. I don't know if anyone else is like that. Like the middle of my hair is like, whoo, Lord Jesus. It needs all the moisture. It's just so matted sometimes. Yeah, take your time on this part, just like you did the front. Okay, it's coming, y'all, it's coming. And honestly, like, who cares if your part isn't like extremely straight? Like, I don't care about all that. Nobody's about to be looking at your part like, oh, your part's crooked, right? Okay, so now that we have one side, I'm gonna wrap this side up and work on one side. But you see like why I didn't want to wet my ends? You see like how it's still full on that side? You want your buns to be full and not like flat. So I'm gonna just pin this side up. And now we get to work on our buns. So I'm gonna just spray my edges to get them all wet and slick back. And I'm just spraying around the edges, like around the perimeter of my hair and like down this part, so I can get the slick look. Like I like to wear this hairstyle like maybe every week. I just sometimes I just fail at washing my hair on time, or you know, but sometimes you just, because when I do a wash and go, it takes my hair like a day to dry, and then I just don't really like my hair until like the second or third day. So this is like a cool little hairstyle to do. Okay, so I think that's pretty much finished. Now I'm gonna moisturize where I put the water, and I'm gonna moisturize with the Pure Naturals Coconut Butter Cream by Jamaican Mango and Lime. I'm gonna take a little bit of that, and just so my hair won't dry out. That. Then got our bristle brush. I'm gonna start brushing to get that slick look. And if you need to add some more water, if you feel like it's not laying down, go ahead and add. This is time to add more water. Yeah, this hair, it just be a lot sometimes. I like to put mine like right here, like not too far up or not too far back. Right here is fine for me. Make sure everything is just like slick. That's about it. Now you want to take your scrunchie. These are pretty big, so I'm gonna basically fold mine in half like that, and then wrap it around. Obviously you guys know how to do this. Okay. So this is the part I like to try. So I'm wrapping it all the way around. Now the last loop, I'm going to stop how big I want my bun. So I'll probably get my bun probably about like this big. This part always, if it's hanging like that, just fit that part back in there. So yeah. I like to do my buns like that big. Then the rest of my hair pretty much just kind of wrap it around like that. And then take another scrunchie and then you kind of form your bun here. I like my buns to be like that. Just like, you just mess around with it. I think that's a pretty good bun right there. And then I'm going to work on my edges. I'm going to put a little gel there on my edges right here. And let's see, lay them down. Take a little bit of gel. gonna lay them down. Just like that, and then take some out and do your baby hair. Just like that. So that's one side, and then you know, you just play around with your baby hairs in the back, twirl them around, take them out just like that, and then we work on the other side. And these type of buns you can kind of play around with. Like, you can, sometimes I wear them really low, sometimes I wear them really high, sometimes I wear them like right here. So just, you gotta play around with it. And they all give you different looks. To me, they do. You guys tell me if you guys like these type of videos when I'm not really like speeding up through the video, but like really taking my time to like show you exactly how I do it, or do you prefer like a shorter video? Let me know in the comment section. So I'm basically just gonna do the same side, the same thing I did to the other side. I need a little more water. I can tell because when I brush it, it only stops so far. I need a little more slip. So I'm gonna spray it a little more. Just like that. Then I'm gonna take stuff again, put it in my hands. Ooh, that feels pretty good. This stuff is very moisturizing. I like it. Okay, so now it's time to brush again. This is a hard, my brush is really hard. You probably don't need this hard of a brush, but this is all I got. We gotta work with what you got. You know what I mean? Make sure there's no bumps in there. Try to get as perfect as you can. And sometimes the buns mess up and you just worry about fixing it at the end. Pretty much. Yeah, I think that's about right. That should be about right. Wrap it around, wrap it around, wrap it around. Until you get it the size you want. I think that's the size. Then take the hair. Which way did I wrap it? This way, go in. Take the hair this way. And wrap it around like that. You see how this bun came out better for me? You gotta play around with it. But this is a perfect bun for me. I'm gonna do the other one over again. Just wrap it around like that. But you see how it's different from this side to this side, so just fix this one. Pretty much. You can add another scrunchie to it. You got to. And these are not, these scrunchies are pretty good. They don't have no elastic on it, so yeah, I think that's pretty good. Then I'm gonna do the same thing with our edges. Really simple hairstyle, but it's just kind of fun to do with your curly hair without having to just, because sometimes I know me, I get tired of wearing a wash and go. Something different, and then you don't want to put heat in your hair and stuff, so it's like just something different to have. Get them baby hairs grow. And then make sure this is slicked up. And then slick it. Real simple, right? But this is just what, like I said, this is what I like to do. So I don't have to wash my hair so often. So yeah, so just messing around with different hairstyles like this, you know, it's gonna make your journey so much easier. I used to do this all the time, especially when my hair was like transitioning and really short. So yeah, tell me if this video was helpful, y'all, and I'll do more videos like this. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.